The little bathroom in our house has been the same since we moved in about 5 or 6 years ago, and it was about time for a change. I wiped everything down, patched up some holes, and tried to caulk some of the cracks that have formed over the last few years. I had put these unfinished wood shelves up a few years ago, and they've kind of just turned orange with time and with the sun, so I decided to just give them a paint wash before putting those back up. Once everything was removed and patched, I taped everything off and painted it. Forgive all the holes in the walls. These are not made of drywall or anything that's easily patchable, so it's just going to be what it is. I went with Redend Point by Sherwin-Williams, and I really like the brownish pink hue and the different hues that it gives depending on the light. I decided to make some doors to cover up the open shelving. Since we have 3 girls living in the house, things tend to get a little bit cluttered in the bathroom. So we wanted to cover up some of that mess, and I'll be sharing the tutorial on how to close up open shelves in a couple weeks. Then I just put everything back together and restyled the bathroom, adding in a few new touches. I swapped out the towel ring, if you saw that tutorial a few weeks ago, and also put in a new light.